Hello, today I'm going to show you how to delete Google Photos without deleting from phone. So when I go here in my Google Photos app, you can see my photos right here. Now if I, for example, press this photo here and press delete, it will only move to trash, but it will not be deleted on my Google Photos. So to do that, go over to your browser and in here, just search photos.google.com like this and then hit enter and then it will take you to this same website as mine. Now wait for it to load. Okay, after that, as you can see, here's the same photos that I have on my Google app. Now, in here, we can finally delete this one. For example, just tap on it and then hit delete and then move to bin, for example, like that. And now it's deleted in my Google Photos. Now when we check the Google app, it's still right there. So yep, I hope this one helps. See you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.